Discovering the magic of may in passive voice. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of the passive voice, focusing specifically on how we can use the modal verb, may, with the passive voice. This is a fantastic tool in English that can make your language sound more fluent and natural. So, let's get started. Just a quick recap, passive voice is used when the focus is on the action and not who or what is performing the action. The structure for this is typically object plus verb plus subject. For example, the cake was eaten by John. Here, the focus is on the action of the cake being eaten, not on John. Modals are a type of auxiliary verb that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. May is one of these modals, generally used to indicate possibility or to give permission. When we use may in the passive voice, we are combining the possibility or permission conveyed by may with the focus on the action that the passive voice provides. The structure becomes object plus may be plus past participle. For example, the report may be published next week. Permission may be granted by the manager. Here, the actions of publishing the report and granting permission are the focus, and may indicates the possibility of these actions occurring. To truly understand and grasp this concept, let's look at some more examples and try to form sentences of your own. 1. The package may be delivered tomorrow. 2. The project may be completed ahead of schedule. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new grammar concept. Try to form your own sentences using may in the passive voice. And there we have it, folks. The modal may in the passive voice can add another layer of complexity and fluency to your English. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has helped illuminate the usage of may in the passive voice. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.